Do you know that your liver function is related to your cholesterol levels? Your liver maintains optimum level of cholesterol in your body by removing the LDL and regulating the HDL. No doubt, the liver is one of the most essential organs of our body, performing more than 500 functions every single day. It detoxifies your blood, regulates fat, produces bile, and helps your body process cholesterol properly. That is why, if you are dealing with fatty liver, high cholesterol, or both, your diet becomes the most powerful tool to reverse these conditions. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Dr. Madhvi Vash, your liver specialist at Bharat Homeopathy. I have treated a large number of liver and cholesterol patients worldwide. With my strong clinical expertise, today I am sharing the best foods that heal fatty liver, reduce bad cholesterol, and protect your liver from further damage. Before we move to the foods, let me explain this important connection between fatty liver and high cholesterol. When fat starts accumulating in the liver becomes inflamed and less efficient. A weak or fatty liver cannot properly break down LDL and produce enough HDL. It cannot remove excess fats from the bloodstream and process triglycerides efficiently. As a result, your LDL cholesterol rises and triglycerides shoots up. HDL cholesterol drops and cholesterol deposition starts in the arteries. This is why most fatty liver patients also have high LDL, high triglycerides, low HDL, and an increased risk of heart attack and stroke. So managing your fatty liver automatically helps you control cholesterol levels too. More than 1.5 billion people globally are facing liver disease, and high cholesterol continues to be one of the top risk factors for heart attacks. These conditions often go hand in hand and must be managed at the right time. But the good news is, your diet can be a game changer. So let's talk about which foods are good for your liver. The first liver-friendly food is leafy greens. Leafy greens like broccoli, spinach, kale, cabbage, romaine, lettuce, and fenugreek are extremely powerful for fatty liver and cholesterol. They are rich in chlorophyll, glutathione, fiber, folate, and vitamin K. These nutrients detoxify the liver, reduce fat accumulation, improve bile flow, and reduce naturally LDL cholesterol. Now the second food is berries. Blueberries, blackberries, strawberries and cranberries are loaded with antioxidants and anthocyanins. They reduce liver inflammation, prevent fibrosis and lower LDL cholesterol. They help in stabilizing triglycerides and improving HDL. Fruits like apple, papaya, pomegranate and sapodilla are excellent for liver fat and cholesterol. Apple's pectin removes toxins and lowers LDL. Papaya removes digestion and reduces liver stress. Pomegranate's punicalagin lowers inflammation and cholesterol. Sapodilla reduces oxidative stress on liver cells. Now, the fourth category of liver and cholesterol friendly food is vegetable salad. A salad of carrot, beetroot, radish and spinach helps cleanse the liver and reduce fat buildup. Carrots support detoxification. Beetroot dissolves liver fat. Radish improves bile flow for cholesterol breakdown. Spinach adds antioxidant and fiber. This salad also directly helps in lowering LDL and improving digestion. Alright, let's discuss what fats you should consume to maintain a healthy liver. You can include olive oil and clarified butter, desi ghee for cooking. Olive oil is rich in monosaturated fats which help prevent fat deposition in the liver, enhance insulin resistance and reduce the risk of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. On the other hand, clarified butter is rich in antioxidants and essential fatty acids which help detoxify liver and prevent liver damage. Good fats in moderation protect both liver and heart health. Alright, so I have discussed some liver friendly foods you must consume to protect your liver and prevent cholesterol buildup in the blood. If you found my video helpful, Please like and share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.